talk about how you can insert an image to your Adobe Illustrator file. There are two methods of inserting an image to Adobe Illustrator. The first one is just simply the drag and drop method. Let's say I have an image on my desktop. I am showing you here on my desktop. I have this image, this one, sorry, this image. I want to insert this image to my Adobe Illustrator file, so I'll just drag this image like this and drop over here. Now I'll show it to you. You can see it. I am just pressing control with my this shift control, just like this, and this image will come in center. Let's say I am just dragging this like the image like this, and I'll take the image to where which I want, just like this. So this is how you can insert your image by just drag and drop method. This is the first method. Now I am clicking on this image and I'll go to the properties, and here I will click on this embed button. So when I embed it, so here you can use this drawing for your different purposes. The other method is, I'll show you on the next one. I am clicking on the next drawing. Let's say I am clicking on this template here. Now I'll click on this file menu, and here I'll click on this place. Here you can use a shortcut key shift plus control plus P. I am clicking on this place button, and here it will take you to your desktop or where your image is. So I click on my desktop, and here I'll select the different type of images which I have on my desktop. Let's say I have this image on my desktop, so I'll click on this and I'll click on the place button. Now I'll just place it like this, and you can see that the image has come. Now I'll also embed it. So now I can use this drawing as an Illustrator file. Thank you for watching.